I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Patch Pro Fungicide step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
If your lawn is showing signs of disease or fungal development, then check out Patch Pro Fungicide. Patch Pro is a Propiconazole emulsifiable concentrate that is used to prevent and control harmful and unsightly diseases on plants and lawns. This product is designed to control a broad spectrum of diseases such as brown patch, powdery mildew, and blights. Patch Pro is an emulsifiable concentrate and must be mixed with water before application. You'll need to mix this product into a sprayer of your choice. For most residential applications, you can use a handheld pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a hose end sprayer. To cover acres of treatment area, you'll need a spray rig. For most residential applications, we'll go over how to use Patch Pro with a handheld pump sprayer. Calculate your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. You'll use this to figure out how much product you need to apply. Depending on the disease you're treating, you'll mix Patch Pro at a rate between 0.5 and 4 whole fluid ounces per 1 gallon of finished solution for every 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Be sure to double check the product's label for the correct application rate to treat the disease or fungus you're targeting. Fill your sprayer with half the required amount of water, then use the bottle's tip and pour feature to measure the correct amount of product you'll need. Add it in, then add the remaining amount of water. Close and shake to ensure an even distribution of product. Once the solution is fully mixed, you can add additional products like marking dyes or surfactants. Apply your solution to the target area, either to treat active lawn diseases in turf or ornamentals, or for preventive disease control. For the best results, use a fan spray setting to ensure the blades and leaves are evenly coated. To treat for any soil-borne disease, you may water in the product after application. Reapplication may be required to control severe cases of disease development. Reapply at 7 to 14-day intervals 2 or more times to achieve complete control of the target fungus or disease. Patch Pro Fungicide is labeled to be used to control and prevent disease and fungal development in warm season and cool season turfgrass as well as in dichondra. Bermuda grass can be sensitive to this product, so limit applications to 4 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet every 30 days on any variety of Bermuda grass. Patch Pro may also be used in nurseries and landscape plantings. It can be used to control diseases in various trees, including non-bearing fruit and nut trees, and it can be used on woody and herbaceous ornamental plants. Do not apply this product to African violets, begonias, Boston fern, or geraniums. Patch Pro Fungicide can be used as soon as fungi and disease symptoms are noticed for curative control. When used to prevent disease, Patch Pro has a 30-day residual effect and can be used monthly to stop symptoms from occurring. Apply Patch Pro on calm days when no rainfall is in the immediate forecast to allow the product to absorb into the leaf tissue. Patch Pro is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. To help avoid over-application in turfgrass, we recommend you use a marking dye like Vision Blue or Vision Pro Max. These products are temporary colorants used to indicate where you've already sprayed. When mixed into your spray solution, your application will leave treated areas a deep blue color, reminding you where you've sprayed so you know not to apply there again. If you're using Patch Pro to treat foliar diseases, we recommend you use a surfactant. When mixed with your pesticide solution, it helps the active ingredients spread and stick more easily to blade and leaf surfaces, increasing the treated surface area. Patch Pro is an effective fungicide product that will prevent disease and fungi from taking hold and control active outbreaks. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For the best lawn care, you'll need to support your lawn's health with the right fertilizer and regular lawn care practices such as regular raking, proper watering, and mowing to the proper height for your specific turfgrass.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.